Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Cerise Hood from after high-end rust and press. Okay, let's get into it guys. Okay, first of all, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it white. Color it black. And then you're going to put on this bangs, make it black and white. And then you're going to put on this jeans, make it this pattern. This one guys, you can apply this pattern for the jeans. And then you're going to put on this top, and then you're going to apply this pattern from the World Culture Update, this one. And then the sleeves, you're going to apply this pattern, and this boots from the VIP room. And for this boots, you're going to color it like this. Okay, done. And then I'm going to move to the next area. You're going to go to this area guys, and then we're going to put on this item. And for this item, I'm going to make it red, this red color. And I'm going to go to the VIP room. And from this VIP room, I'm going to put on this cape. You're going to choose only cape light air. And then I'm going to apply the same red color. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this flower. For this basket of flower, you're going to apply this pattern for the flower. And then I'm going to go back to this area and I'm going to put on this skirt. Sorry, I forgot to put on this skirt. And I'm going to make it this color. And then this one as well, make it this color. And I'm going to put on this belt. And I'm going to color it like this. And then I'm going to put on necklace. I'm going to use the top from the pirate set, this one. And I'm going to choose only necklace. And for the necklace, I'm going to color it with this color. And I'm going to go back to the VIP room guys. Sorry, I forgot one item from here. I'm going to put on this bracelet. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to recreate Cerise Hood and Dress and Press. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!